Yes, I'm Mohammed legal intern at Lexington Company. So today I would be discussing about the Juvenile Justice Act 2000, which is also known as the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act 2000, which is an important legislation in India that focus on the care, protection, rehabilitation of children in conflict with the law. It was enacted to align with the principles and provisions of United Nations Convention on Rights of Child, which is also known as UNCRC. So the definition of a child underlines the act, which is defined as juvenile or a child, a person who has not completed 18 years of age. It recognizes that children involved in criminal activities and special care, protection, and rehabilitation instead of being treated as adult offenders. The Juvenile Justice Board (JJB), the Act actually established juvenile justice boards on the district level, compromising a metropolitan magistrate or a judicial magistrate of first class and two social workers, at least one of whom should be a woman. The board was responsible for dealing with the cases involving juveniles in conflict with the law. The procedures which is laid down by the Act for treatment of juvenile offenders, focusing on their rehabilitation, reintegration into society. It emphasizes the importance of the best interest of the child while ensuring that the right of the child were protected during the judicial process. The observations were the Act provided for the establishment of the observation homes and special homes to provide temporary and long-term care for juveniles respectively. These facilities aimed at ensuring their care, protection and rehabilitation focused on the physical, mental, social well-being. The CWC, which is Child Welfare Committees, the Act also mandated the creation of child welfare committees at the district level to ensure the proper care, protection, rehabilitation of child in need of care and protection, such as abandoned children, children in need of adoption, or children in need of care and protection due to abuse or neglect. So here viewers, I'll end up this video, and if anyone is in doubt regarding the same, do let me know in the comment section for each. I'll try to reach the same in no time. Thank you.